What you want from Jack's?
A breakfast sandwich.
Sausage or bacon?
Bacon. Guys, that's Mama's breakfast.
Don't you be making fun of my breakfast.
Sure am, though.
One big breakfast sandwich with bacon.
Anything else for you?
Sweet tea.
Alright, you cool for it.
That's really good.
Caden came to work with me today. We have his orthopedic appointment to see how his foot's healing, and we hope that he gets a good report because he's supposed to go to his next Bible camp on Sunday afternoon. So he'll be gone for another week. We also have our orthodontist appointments today. So I'm going to be in and out of the office a lot today, but I am going to try to get a little work done. Tomorrow morning, I'm supposed to be leaving and going to Georgia, and I'm still on the fence about whether I can go because, you know, Haley, I don't know if y'all seen her post, but she's been sick, and Tristan's been sick too. They've been tested, and it turns out she has COVID and RSV, so we need all the prayers we can get. This is the last thing we need right here in the third trimester with only 1 month to go. We need to get her well. Tristan's also got COVID, but he don't have RSV, so definitely keep them in your prayers. I know y'all will. I'll be so upset if I don't go though, because I really want to, because the reason I was going this weekend is because we're going to do the last 4D ultrasound and get to see him in his third trimester. But there's two things that's holding me up. One, if I go, Caden has to go with me because he's actually going to a Bible camp that's in East Alabama, so it's kind of on the way back home from Georgia. So I kind of don't want him exposed to that. What if, even if they've been fever-free for 24 hours, what if he catches it and then goes to Bible camp for a week and exposes all those other kids? But also, I really don't want to be sick right here before the baby comes, because sometimes when I get sick, it lingers and lasts a long time, and I don't want to be sick when he gets here. What if she has to deliver early? Meemaw is gonna need to be very healthy, because Meemaw's gonna be kissing and loving and holding on that baby. I hadn't even been here 15 minutes and I've already talked myself out of it. I just cannot risk that. Oh, I just hate that. I hate sickness. Y'all pray for Haley and Tristan. We just got to the orthodontist office. The orthopedic appointment went just how I thought it would. He almost didn't get to go to Bible camp. I've been telling him, stay out of the pool so much, stay off your feet. But then when I'm working, I check them cameras and find him having a dance party in the living room. I about had all the bad news that I can take for the day. So after this, I think we're going to go home and just hide in the house and not do nothing else. So I saw a barefoot neighbor making a street corn enchilada bake, and I got the ingredients to make it. I'm so excited to try it. So that's probably what we'll make tonight. Y'all stay tuned. I love you. Stay classy.